everybody, and welcome to Cam and the Fam. Today guys, I am making a simple meal. This is what I call my cinnamon sausage stir fry. Okay, this is a very, like I said, it's an inexpensive meal. I have a can of corn, I have bell peppers, red onions, and red peppers. I have broccoli, I have a can of mushrooms, and I have, of course, the sausage, and I have a package of brown gravy mix. And also I'm going to cook some rice. Well, I've actually already cooked the rice, so we're going to get this meal prepared. We're going to turn the stove on, and we're going to slice these sausages. Very, very quick, very inexpensive. Okay, so don't have to be perfect. Y'all know I need some new knives. As a matter of fact, I'm going to change knives. So put in the comments section, Pops, buy Cinnamon some new knives. And stop buying those Walmart knives.
Where do you get knives from?
This is a knife from Walmart.
So like KitchenAid or something?
Yeah, but I mean, I need some better knives. So guys, tell my husband to buy me some more knives, because all of my knives are dull. All of my knives, honestly, is probably about 8 to 10 years old. So it's time. So we're going to go over to the stove, and we're going to add all of our onions and bell peppers in now. You can use butter or you can use oil, whatever you prefer. Yes, I see that big piece of onion right there, but trust me, somebody's gonna eat it. So while we have the onions and the bell peppers cooking, we're going to put in our sausages. And if you want to cut your sausages smaller, you can. You don't have to, but you can. This is the time that I would add my garlic powder. This is my black pepper. And you guys know that I love the Cajun seasoning. I'm going to add that in once I get ready to add my corn. So we're going to let this cook, and we'll bring you guys back. So guys, we're getting ready to add the corn. And this is the time I told you guys that I add my Cajun seasoning. And I'm going to add my broccoli in here too. And we have a small can. We have a small can of mushrooms. We're going to add that in too. Mix all this in together. You can use ham, you can use chicken, you can use steak, whatever kind of meat you want to use. Or you can do it my way and you can use sausages. But whatever you choose to use, it's fine. And we're gonna let this cook for probably another 3 minutes. And then that brown gravy that we have, we're gonna add that brown gravy and we're gonna pour this over a bed of rice. And your family is going to love this. So we'll bring you guys back in about 3 minutes. Okay guys, look at all of that juice. So now we're getting ready to pour our brown gravy in here. You can make gravy too, but we're gonna just add the brown gravy. Oops, a lot of gravy in here. And we're just gonna add a little water. Not very much. And we're gonna stir this around. And we're gonna let this cook for a couple of minutes. I would say probably another minute. And we're gonna pour this over our bed of rice. So we're gonna plate this and we'll bring you back. So everybody, as you can see, this is ready to go on a plate. And you see how the gravy thickens up? You see? This is good. So we're gonna take you guys over to the counter and we're going to pour this over. I'll turn my pot off, I'm sorry. And we're gonna pour this over a bed of rice. Get some of that gravy. Okay, we're gonna move it over to the next plate. I know you guys are gonna do a mukbang on this.
So, alright, I have a question. For the people at home, how long does the process like to make this?
This honestly is like a 15-minute meal, if it's even that long.
How many people do it feed?
Well, from our plate, from this pan right here, this is you and KEE'S plate right here. So this is enough for me and Pops to get some, and then we can always go back and get some more. And put a little more sausages on here. And like I said, you can do this with chicken, ham, steak, whatever you want to do it on. And the only thing missing is this right here. You already know. A fork or a spoon. In words of my sister, Soulful Tea, Bon Appetit.
Let's go.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say it again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this video. Share this video. Share with your family and your friends. If you try this recipe, please let me know. It's quick and it's simple. You can use fresh corn or you can use canned corn. It really don't matter. You can use fresh mushrooms, but because we're closed in, we're doing a lot of canned goods. We're gonna make use of all of these canned goods. If you haven't got your Epic Empire tickets, don't forget to get your Epic Empire tickets. Don't forget, if you can't make it to the meet and greet, you can donate to the meet and greet or you can donate to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.